This recipe is a fantastic way to turn tomato soup into a full meal and use up leftover chicken. Let's get going and heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. To the warm oil, add 1 chopped onion and 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Stir and cook until the onion is soft, about 5 minutes. Then sprinkle a 1/4 cup of flour evenly over the onions and garlic. This will thicken up our soup. Add 1 28-ounce can of Italian-style diced tomatoes, 1 14.5-ounce can of chicken broth, and season with 1 teaspoon each of dried oregano, basil, and parsley. Give this a stir and bring to a boil. Cook until the tomatoes soften up 8 to 10 minutes. Now, to give the soup its creamy texture, let's puree it. You can do this directly in the pot with a stick hand blender, or use your blender and puree in batches until smooth. This soup looks nice and creamy, so let's stir in 2 cups of shredded roasted chicken, a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and season with 1 teaspoon of sea salt and ground black pepper to taste. Lower the heat and simmer the soup to heat through, about 5 minutes. Enjoy this creamy tomato and chicken bisque with a sprinkling of fresh basil and crusty French bread.